Welcome back, friends. In today's video, I'll reveal the most viral niche, tiny animals, perfect for TikTok, YouTube, and other video platforms. As you can see, this video received 322 million views on TikTok. Similarly, this video got 2.3 million views, 1.9 million views, and this video exploded to 66 million views. Accounts in this niche earn thousands of dollars every month. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on creating these amazing videos so you can start earning soon. The first step is to generate the image prompt. I'll use ChatGPT for this. I'm already logged in and ready to paste the command prompt. I've provided all the information to ChatGPT and it will respond accordingly. ChatGPT is ready. I'll provide the name of any animal like cat and it will generate the image prompt for a tiny cat. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided the image prompt for a cat. I'll generate image prompts for other animals in the same way and fast forward the video. I've generated prompts for several tiny animal images. The next step is to use Leonardo AI to create the images from these prompts. I will copy this prompt and go to the Leonardo AI. I'm already logged into Leonardo AI. It offers 150 free credits daily, which is more than enough. Once logged in, navigate to the image generation section. Review all the settings, then go to image dimensions, click more, and select TikTok for a 9:16 ratio. Next, paste the prompt into the image generation section. Then click the generate button. Leonardo will use 24 credits and take a moment to generate 4 images based on the prompt. Leonardo has generated 4 different images based on the prompt, but you might notice that some images aren't quite perfect. Remember, we have the option to regenerate the images, but I'll pick this one as it's the perfect match for our needs. Similarly, I'll copy another animal prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI's image section, and click generate. Once again, we got some amazing results. I'll continue to copy, paste, and click generate to create all the images in the same way. I'll fast forward the video and use the same method to generate the remaining images. I've generated the images. Now I'll download only the best ones to use in the video. Here are the images I've downloaded. The next step is to bring these images to life using AI. I'll use Minimax Hailuo AI, one of the most advanced image-to-video or text-to-video generators. As you can see, creators are producing ultra-realistic videos using this advanced AI tool. New users receive a 3-day free trial with unlimited video generation. After the trial, each user gets 100 free credits daily. You can either click the gallery button to import the image or simply drag and drop it here. After that, I will add some keywords. And then click on the generate button. As you can see, many people are generating videos, so we may have to wait a bit. However, we can submit up to 3 images for video generation, and you won't lose progress if you exit the tool. I've submitted 3 images with prompts for video generation, and I'll show you the results once they're ready. As you can see, Hailuo AI has generated amazing videos based on the prompt and image. Now I will download these 3 videos to my desktop. The next step is to use a video editor. I'll use CapCut because it's one of the most advanced free video editors available. Now I'll import the videos we generated with Hailuo AI into CapCut, and then one by one to the timeline. After that, I'll zoom in on the videos to better fit the dimensions. The next step is to find sound effects for these animals. I'll use Pixabay, which offers a wide range of free sound effects, music tracks, and videos. In the sound effects section, I'll search for something like goat bleeding. You can test all these sound effects, but I'll choose this one as it's the perfect match for our video. I've downloaded the goat sound effect. Now I'll search for sound effects for a cat and a horse. Here are the sound effects I downloaded from Pixabay. Now I'll import them into CapCut, and then one by one to the timeline. After that, I will cut the extra part from the audio, and similarly, I will import the remaining sound effects to the timeline. Let's check the final results. Now export the video to the desktop, ensuring it's in 4K quality. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to us.